SpaceX has moved a step closer to launching its satellite internet service in Canada. The Canadian Radio, Television and Telecommunications Commission has approved the company's application for a license to provide a high-speed service called Starlink. Lots of Canadians who live in rural areas support the idea. They long for fast and affordable internet service. Starlink has more than 800 satellites in orbit, though not all are operational. SpaceX founder Elon Musk wants to add thousands more. His goal is to offer high-speed internet to rural areas everywhere. Canadians don't have access to it yet. Starlink still needs to test the service, which could begin in Canada and the northern U.S. later this year. Musk plans to expand to near global coverage by 2021. An intricate operation has just taken place far, far away from us in space. NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft touched the surface of an asteroid, vacuuming up some precious samples. As Mike Drolet reports, getting to this point has taken years of intense and complex work, and finally the engineers have watched it all pay off.
For a few seconds, OSIRIS-REx kissed the asteroid known as Bennu, allowing its vacuum to suck up a few kilos of rocks.
OREX MSA on OREX Ops. Sample collection is complete, and the back-away burn has executed. Yep.
And just like that, it was off again. Its mission now to return its valuable cargo home for scientists to study.
You bring back that amount of material to Earth-based laboratories, and it's literally Christmas for the next 10 years for scientists here on Earth.
Scientists say the material on Bennu hasn't changed since the universe was formed. Studying it could unlock secrets to how planets and life began.
And liftoff of OSIRIS-REx.
OSIRIS-REx launched in 2016 with a clear mission: get close enough to an asteroid with a diameter roughly the height of the CN Tower and scoop up some of its sandy surface. Except as OSIRIS-REx got closer, the images it sent back threw the mission a curveball. Instead of sand, Bennu was covered with enough rocks that NASA put OSIRIS in orbit for a year to find a clear enough spot to continue the mission.
They originally expected to be able to put the spacecraft down in a mall that, say, had 100 parking spots. But now, with the danger associated with the boulders, the strewn nature of the surface, they've got to put it down to like within half a dozen parking spots.
Bennu and OSIRIS are on the other side of the universe, 320 million kilometers away. So far that it takes 18.5 minutes to transmit a message back to Earth. So NASA engineers could only program OSIRIS and wait. They'll get their first images tomorrow and then wait some more until 2023 to see OSIRIS's precious cargo in person. Mike Drolet, Global News, Toronto.